Our universe consists of many galaxies, and our galaxy Milky Way is one of them. Milky Way is nothing but a combination of stars, planets, and satellites. And in the Milky Way, or in our solar system, one star plays a very important role in our daily life, and that is Sun. So if the Sun exploded, what will happen to our lives do you know? So before starting the video, I will request to you all to like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get latest news on my channel. So let's start the video. First, if the Sun went supernova, scientists would be terribly confused, as in order for a star to go supernova, it has to be a mass greater than at least 8 solar masses, means 82 Sun's mass or area. Although there is some debate about the exact threshold, the Sun is not nearly massive enough, not even close. So, if it went supernova, it will be rarely weird. In fact, it will be totally defying the laws of physics. Well, but let's pretend for a moment that the Sun could go supernova for some strange reason. In essence, a supernova is a violent stellar explosion. Perhaps violent is an understatement. These explosions are roughly the equivalent of a few nuclear warheads, and a few octillion nuclear warheads going off in our neighborhood is extremely detrimental to any life in the area. Perhaps 1 octillion means 1 into 10 to the power 27, means 1 then 27 zeros. Next, an explosion of its magnitude releases incredible amounts of energy, as much as the Sun creates over the course of its entire life, which means radiation, lots of radiation. This is not so good for our ozone. Scientists theorize the Earth's ozone layer would be damaged if a star less than 50 light years away went supernova. And as a reminder, the Sun is 8.3 light minutes from Earth. Big brown face for us, because 8.3 light minutes is a lot closer than 50 light years. Dr. Mark Reid, a senior astronomer, has said, were supernova to go off within about 30 light years of us, that would lead to major effects on the Earth, possibly most extinctions. X-rays and more energetic gamma rays from the supernova could destroy the ozone layer that protects us from solar ultraviolet rays. It could also ionize nitrogen and oxygen in the atmosphere, leading to the formation of large amount of smoke like nitrous oxide in the atmosphere. Of course, just as a reminder, the Sun is not nearly as massive as the stars that actually do go supernova, so assuming that it would still be very bad. If our ozone was effective enough to cause even a 10% increase in ground level ultraviolet radiation, it could kill much of the ocean's phytoplankton, effectively bringing an end to all marine life. If we lost 2/3 of our ozone, the UV radiation on mid-latitude cities like Washington DC would be strong enough to give a nasty sunburn in just 5 minutes. If the Sun went supernova, it would have a much dramatic effect. We would have no ozone. With no ozone, skin cancer cases would skyrocket. All living beings would suffer from several radiation burns unless they are underground or in protected suits. Plants would fry, animals would fry, we'd all die. However, if the Sun went supernova, the loss of ozone would be the least of our concerns. There would be no escape. On the side of Earth that faces the Sun, the explosion would boil away the surface of the Earth at hundreds of meters per second. People on the night side wouldn't do much better. Scattered light wouldn't do much better. Scattered light would heat Earth to lethal temperatures. Scientists estimate that the planet would be roughly 15 times hotter than the surface of the Sun currently is. far above the boiling point of any human material and much hotter than any human withstand, obviously. At best, the Earth would take a few days to vaporize. Even were we flee to Pluto, which would be take roughly 10 years with today's technology, we would still survive. The teeny dwarf planet would also be heated to temps hotter than the surface of the sun. Poor Pluto. First it's not a planet, and now this. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel to get latest notification on my channel. And if you have any problems about this topic, tell me at the comment section. So guys, bye, see you ASAP.